This has got to be one of the cutest bags in my collection. So this is the Mini Clementine bag by The Horse. How cute is this bag? So this is in the pine color, and this is a limited release color. So if you do like this color, then I would highly recommend that you grab it sooner rather than later, because I'm not sure how long it's actually going to be on the website for. But if we look up close here, she's so tiny. How cute is this bag? So we do have the grained Italian leather on here, and then we do have the Horse logo right on the front there. So it's very minimal, very chic design. So if I give you a bit of a rotation there, we have the little triangular shape on the sides here. And then there's nothing on the back, no external pockets or anything there. But then we do have some feet on the bottom. So these are just the leather strip feet. They're not metal or anything like that, but it does offer a little bit of protection to the bag when you pop it down. Now I have the original Clementine bag, and that bag comes with silver hardware. So a lot of people prefer gold hardware on bags, and the brand have listened to people, and they have released a selection of these bags with gold hardware. So this mini bag has the gold hardware on here, and it does have it just on the little hooks here where you can attach an external strap. So it does come with a crossbody strap. So let me show you that here. So this is the crossbody strap here. And we do have adjustable holes here for you to be able to change the length of the strap. And then we do have the gold claw clip on the end to attach it to the bag. So it is minimal hardware anyway. So I don't have a preference with hardware. I quite like gold and silver. So it really doesn't make a difference to me. But it is really, really nice hardware on here. So the strap drop does go from 44 centimeters to 50 centimeters, and you can adjust it on either side. So there's two parts on the strap here. Let me show you. So on either end, you can adjust them. So I would recommend that you evenly adjust them. So whatever you put one side on, I would adjust to the other side. So I have got it on the longest here. So I've popped it on the first one on both sides of the strap. And then it literally just clips onto the end. So super easy to attach. And I think the drop of the strap is actually really good. Sometimes you can get ones that are really, really short, or ones that are too long and you can't detach. So this one is really good because it is detachable as well. So you can use it with the strap, with the long crossbody strap, or you can actually use it with the little top handle here. So this is a mini bag. So it is kind of made just to carry your daily essentials with you. You're not going to get heaps in this bag. I'll show you just in a second what actually fits inside, but it's actually a really cute little size. It measures 18 centimeters in length, 12.5 centimeters in height, and 8 centimeters in depth there. So yeah, like I said, it isn't a huge bag. You're not going to get a lot in here, but you can still fit your daily essentials in here. So with the original bag, when you pick it up, you can get that slouch look, which is why the bag has become so popular. And you can get that with this bag as well. But with it already being a small bag, it is going to limit you as to what you can fit in here. So if you like to be able to see the visible slouch, you really are only going to be able to fit a few essentials in here. If you don't mind, on the other hand, you can fit more in it, but you are going to get more of that box shape, which I actually quite like. I don't mind at all. And I think over time, as you do wear it, you are going to get more of that slouch. So I found with the original bag, the more I've worn it, the more of that worn in kind of slouch look that you get. Now I am going to be doing a comparison video between the mini and the original Clementine bag. So depending on when you watch this, it might already be up. If not, it will be coming soon. So the closure on the bag does have two little magnets on either end. And when you let go of the flap, it just closes together like that. So inside the bag, it is just sort of this beige material inside. And then it does just have one pocket. So it just has one pocket at the back here. It's not a zip or anything like that. It's just sort of a slip pocket. And then on the other side, you do have the Horse logo in like a little leather strip here that's just sort of sewn onto the back there. Now, because it is a smaller bag, it can be a little bit harder to get in and out of. Because the handle is quite small, to get in and out of the bag, sometimes it can be a little bit difficult to get your hand in there. So just be mindful of that. But again, it is a mini bag. So With smaller size bags, that's just to be expected. And especially when you've got ones with sort of the flaps on here, you've got to really sort of open that bag up to be able to get your hand in and just kind of move that handle out the way. So let's go ahead and see what fits inside the bag. So I have packed the bag full and it actually has all of my essentials in there. But as you can see, when I lift the handle up, there's no slouch to it whatsoever. It is definitely that square box shape because it is so full. So let me show you inside. So this is what it is looking like with everything inside. So it's pretty much chock-a-block to the top there. So let me show you what's in here. So I do have my car key, my gate key, my sunglasses, my phone, and my pouch. And inside the pouch, I have a bank card, some cash, my earbuds, my house keys, a lipstick, a comb, and some mints. So that's everything inside the pouch there. So one thing to mention as well, I haven't been able to fit in my wallet here that I do normally carry around or my key pouch, but I have just put a bank card into this coach pouch and also my house keys were in there as well. So if you do want to be able to carry these around, then you might have to sort of take the pouch out or maybe leave your sunglasses out or just kind of switch it around to make it work for you. So like I say, it is a small bag. So if you need to carry all of these things in, then this probably isn't the bag for you. You would probably want to use more of like the original Clementine bag because it is that bit bigger. And all this does fit into the normal size Clementine bag. Now, when this bag is full, it is quite hard to get things in and out of it. So it can sometimes be a bit like a jigsaw puzzle. So if you're taking something out, you might have to move other things around to be able to get it back inside the bag. So it isn't the easiest to get things in and out of when it is packed full to the brim. But if you're just running daily essentials and you just need your basics like a card holder and your keys, you'll be perfectly fine. It'll be a lot easier to move around it. But if you are going to fill it to the brim, it is going to be that little bit harder to get things in and out of the bag. So just be mindful of that. I'm going to go ahead and dress it up a little bit too and pop on this bag charm that I recently got from Coach. So how cute is this one? I'm going to clip that onto the side, and I feel like bag charms just add that little bit more style onto the bag there. So how cute does that look? So you can do that with a lot of bag charms as well. Bag charms are really becoming popular at the moment. So I'm really glad they're coming back into style. So yeah, I'm really happy with how that looks. It looks really, really pretty. So this does retail for $249.95 Australian dollars, which I think is super good value for a leather bag. I absolutely think it's adorable. I love a good mini bag, and I think this one's perfect for your everyday essentials. So like I showed you before, you can still fit quite a bit in the bag. Now, it does remind me a little bit more of the Longchamp pouch bag. Let me just grab that and show you. So this is the Longchamp pouch. So if I pop those two side by side, they are fairly similar in size. I would say this one is a bit wider on there than the Longchamp bag, but I feel like in terms of what you can fit inside, they are pretty comparable. Is it worth it? Absolutely. I think it's great value for money, and it does come in various different colors as well. I would really like them to do the olive color in the mini bag because I think that would sell really well as well. I do still want to get the olive shade in the normal size, but it's always sold out when I go to purchase it. It's sold out at the moment, so I'm hoping they get that back in stock soon. But really happy with the bag. I think the price is on point, and it's just super, super cute. What do you guys think? Do you have the mini? Do you have the normal size? What's your preference? Let me know in the comment section below. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure you are subscribed and hit that like button if you did find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.